Okay, guys, I've created a nice big test for Claude. I'm going to ask him to write the whole washing machine sequence, putting in comments, wrong comments, and full addressing and labels for the addresses. Yeah, now I've just explained to him the basic scan cycle. Um, I'll put the prompt that I'm going to give him. I'll put that in the description so you can have a look at it. But I've basically just told him what the IO is, explained to him the basic scan cycle of a PLC so that he should not use outputs more than once in a program, etc., etc. Anyhow, see, here goes. Let's see what he does with this. Okay, that's interesting. It looks like he is actually working out the whole program before he even starts placing components, which obviously makes sense. Okay, while he's thinking, let's just go through the spec quickly then. So it's just normal washing machine cycle. Just explained to him here about not using outputs more than once. Here's our input and output signal map. Inputs is just start button, the lid closed, and the weight sensor. So the digital weight sensor will just come on as a digital input. It's not an analog input. And then the output is just the water inlet valve, the drum clockwise, drum anti-clockwise, drain valve, and spin motor. Oh, he's really thinking very long. I'm wondering whether he's actually stuck. It doesn't normally take this long. But anyhow, let's give him some more time. Okay, so the sequence, yeah, just a normal sequence for washing machine. And then I've just asked him to label all internal memory bits clearly, label all timers clearly, comment each step clearly, Also, what I've found is he sometimes just randomly starts on a rung. So I've told him to start at position 1, and also not to go wider than 9 grid blocks so that it can display on the screen. That's it. He's still using tokens, so he is still thinking. It's really excessively long. It doesn't normally take so long to respond. Let me see if I can get any reply out of him. Okay, that's interesting. I think this is a bit of an overload to his system. Yeah, I think this is maybe a little overload to his system. Okay, well, let me do some investigation and see. Maybe I need to make the prompt shorter or whatever. I don't know. Anyhow, so that's it. Claude's first big attempt to writing a PLC program.